I'm actually a federal judge.
Okay.
On 3rd October 2025, Michigan State Police received a call. They got informed that a vehicle crashed into a roadside signs and then flew away.
Take a look at this side. Sir, can you get out of the vehicle, or is your door stuck?
Well, I can get out. I'm not exactly sure why these deployed.
You're not sure why?
No.
Okay. Well, the side of your car would indicate you struck something.
Like where?
Okay. Let me do a favor and walk around to the back of your car there.
Okay.
Okay. Just do me a favor. Turn. Stop. Stop. Just turn around.
Yep.
Right here. Back of your car.
Yep.
Back of your car. Sir, step over to the back of your car.
Yep.
Okay. Step up.
Put your butt against the back of your car.
Come over
Put your
this way.
butt right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Tom.
Tom, how much you had to drink today?
Nothing tonight.
Nothing.
No.
Okay. Did you take anything? You on any medications?
No.
Okay.
The moment Tom steps out of his vehicle, officer notices that something is off. Under the Fourth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, a police officer has a right to ask questions about your state and condition. But as Tom refuses, officer has to do something else to figure out that exactly what's going on.
Injuries? Any history of head injuries?
No.
No. Never been knocked unconscious?
No.
Okay. No concussions or anything?
I'm actually a federal judge.
Okay. Do you have any history of diabetes? Are you on blood thinners at all?
No.
Okay. All right. Are you able to see my finger right here?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't wear contact lenses. Usually you don't normally wear glasses?
Right.
Okay. Why don't you just go ahead and put your hands by your side. Take one step away from your vehicle for me. Away from your vehicle for me. Step toward me, one step.
Yep.
Toward me, one step. Okay. Very good. All right, sir. You go ahead and put your feet together for me.
Yep.
Put your hands by your side. Okay. You see my finger? I want you to look at my finger, okay? You're looking at me. I need you to look at my finger.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. I want you to follow my finger with your eyes without moving your head. Okay? You understand that?
Yep.
Okay. I need you to look at my finger.
Yeah.
All right? And follow my finger.
I understand.
Okay. All right. I need you to follow with my finger here.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. You're not tracking my finger. All right, you're looking at me. I want you to look at my finger for me, all right?
Yep.
Look at that. Can you see the finger? Okay. Track my finger with your eyes without moving your head.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, you're moving your head. I need you to move just your eyes. All right, you're not doing that at all.
Even after the several finger test trails, Tom has failed to follow the instruction, which made officer even more concerned.
Back of your car, down the hill there, okay?
Yep.
And place your hands by your side for me. Keep them there for me. All right.
And walk.
No, sir. I want you to follow my instructions. I'll tell you when to begin. All right? I want you to imagine that straight line right there.
Yeah.
Okay? I want you to place your left foot on that line. I want you to place your right foot in front of your left foot with your heel touching your toe. Can you do that for me?
Think so?
No, sir. I want you to watch my... Okay. All right, sir. I want you to just wait right here. Let's step back up against your car. I want you to lean against your car for me. All right. Lean up against your car for me. Take some of my car. So I want you to be honest with me. Tell me how much you had to drink today.
Seriously, I don't think I had anything.
You don't think so? Where are you coming? Where are you coming from?
Federal court in Bay City, Michigan.
In Bay City?
Yeah.
So you've driven all the way up from Bay City?
Yep.
Just for you reference, the Bay City from where this incident happened was 145 miles away.
All
right. Do you have any history of driving drunk at all? Have you ever been arrested before?
Nope.
Okay, sir.
I've dealt with a lot of people that have.
Yeah, I understand that. All right. So what I'm going to do is ask you to take a preliminary breath test for me.
Yep.
Okay. So with the request of peace officers, I'm sure you understand the state of Michigan, you're required to submit to a preliminary breath test. Do you have any questions about that?
Nope.
Okay. What I want you to do is take a deep breath from the bottom of your lungs, blow long and steady until I tell you to stop, okay?
Yep.
Okay, can you open your mouth for me?
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, can you open your mouth for me? You got gum in your mouth, don't you?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead and pitch that for me. Okay. I'm gonna have to wait just a moment before we do the next one since you had that gum in your mouth.
Yep, I understand.
Do you have a wallet in the vehicle or is it on your person?
In the vehicle.
In the vehicle, would you mind telling my partner here where it is? Where your wallet is? I just want your driver's license.
Yeah.
Okay, is that okay?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to get it instead?
Now, what I can't understand is what happened here.
Well, I'll show you real quick.
Yeah?
Go ahead and get your wallet for me. Do you have any weapons or anything in the car?
Oh, yeah. I got a lot of weapons.
Do you have anything? Okay. Thank you. All right, see, sir, right over here,
Yeah?
you see the damage to the side of your vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay, was this here when you started your drive up from Bay City? It was not.
No.
Okay. And we had a report that your vehicle struck some signs on the road about a mile back that way. Okay? Which would explain your airbag deployment.
Here in Emmet?
Yeah, on this road, it's about a mile back that way.
In Michigan, hitting a road sign, guardrail, light pole, mailbox, or any other fixture on or adjacent to the highway, leaving the scene of an accident resulting in damage to fixtures upon a highway is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 90 days in jail, a $100 fine, or both, with no license points and no license sanctions attached.
When this deployed, I don't. I have no memory of that.
All right, no memory of it at all. What is the last thing you do remember?
I mean, I've been driving up from Bay City to get to the Cadillac. That's it. I don't know anything about this, and it doesn't.
Okay. What time did you leave your cottage in Bay City, or what time did you leave Bay City?
4 o'clock.
About 4 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you've been driving for about 3.5 hours, almost?
Yep.
About 3 hours at least? Okay. Did you make any stops along the way?
No.
No stops along the way?
Just to stay in touch with my wife, who was riding supervisor.
Okay. All right. Okay, sir. Go ahead and step back to the back of the vehicle again for me.
Yep.
Go ahead and step back over here for me.
Yes, sir.
So you don't take any medications at all?
None.
None.
No.
You haven't taken anything today?
No.
Okay. All right. Can you pick a number between 19 and 21 for me?
I beg your pardon?
Can you pick a number between 19 and 21?
Yeah, it's not hard, but I mean, why? What would be?
Just a question I'm trying to assess.
15.
Okay. So, as you pick a number between 19 and 21, and you pick 15?
Yep.
Okay. All right. You're a federal judge, so I assume you have advanced levels of education?
Yeah. So.
Okay.
During the pre-arrest screening phase of a Michigan DUI investigation, non-standardized tests can include counting backward, reciting the alphabet, the finger count, and picking a number, such as one between 15 and 17. There's no Michigan statute that names or mandates this specific task. It's an investigative technique some officers use, not one of the NHTSA-validated tests, although you can refuse to answer these questions, which is protected by Fifth Amendment.
Your mouth didn't have something out of your mouth, and now we go ahead and take another preliminary breath test.
I started as a informal judge working with a gentleman by the name of Chuck.
Okay.
You know him?
I don't know that name.
Nope.
All right, sir, I want you to take a deep breath from the bottom of your lungs, blow long and steady till I tell you to stop.
Yep.
Blow hard for me. Okay, we got to stop. All right, deep breath, bottom of your lungs, blow long and steady. Okay, like you're blowing up a balloon. That ain't going to do it. All right, got to take a deep breath, blow hard, like you're blowing up a balloon.
Yep.
Okay?
Yeah.
Take that deep breath, blow long and steady till I tell you to stop. You're sucking on it now.
I beg your pardon?
You're sucking on it now. I need you to blow. I can feel when you're blowing, all right?
Yeah.
So take a deep breath
Yep.
from the bottom of your lungs, like that. Blow long and steady till I tell you to stop. Take your deep breath. Take a deep breath. Blow. Blow hard. Harder, harder, harder. Okay. We're going to try something else here. All right. Once you try that again, take a deep breath.
What are we doing here?
We're taking a preliminary breath test because you're not following my instructions.
Why not?
Because you're not blowing. Okay?
I beg your pardon?
You're not blowing through the straw.
Yeah?
You got to blow through the straw for the test to top.
Yeah, what am I not doing?
You're not blowing. Okay? So without this here, take a deep breath for me.
Yeah?
Take a deep breath.
Yep.
No, go ahead and take the deep breath now.
Yep.
Blow out hard like you're blowing up a balloon.
Yeah. I get it.
Okay.
Why haven't I?
I want you to do that for me as an example. Like this.
No.
Right? Yep.
My experience has been that people have a tendency to roll up and then roll down.
Okay.
And you're always trying to figure out where they are in that process.
All right. All I want you to do is blow through the straw.
Right.
Okay? If you don't blow through the straw, I'm going to take that as a refusal.
Sure.
Okay?
I get it.
So, will you blow for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have. 3 times.
Nope, didn't blow. Right? Because the
Beg your
machine can
pardon?
sense when you blow. Okay?
I beg your
The
pardon?
machine can sense when you blow. All right, so if you don't blow again, I'm going to take that as a refusal. All right?
We've done it 3 times.
You haven't done it.
Why?
Okay? Because you haven't blown through the tube like I've directed you to. Okay? So, are you going to blow?
Well, I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Okay. Go ahead and take that for me. All right, sir, turn around, place your hands behind your back. You're going to be under arrest for operating under the influence tonight. I want you to interlace your fingers for me. Turn your palms together.
4111 now, because we can support it.
So, what the hell are you doing?
I'm arresting you for operating under the influence, sir.
Well,
You are very clearly intoxicated. I've got the odor of alcohol coming from you, even though you say that you haven't had anything to drink today. You were involved in a motor vehicle accident. You're unable to follow simple instructions or take any of the tests that I'm offering you here. So I'm going to go ahead and put you in my vehicle. Come on with me.
Okay.
Did you call in the car?
Yeah, I did.
You did.
Blue car, the one behind you.
This one right here. All right.
So,
Come on, walk with me.
I am.
I'm going to need to get it back. Okay, go ahead.
After the arrest, Ludington kept working for more than 4 months without any public knowledge of what happened, until body camera footage surfaced and the Detroit News broke the story in January 2026. Facing sudden scrutiny, he took a voluntary leave of absence from the federal bench that February while the case played out. And a judicial accountability group filed a formal misconduct complaint over how long the incident had been kept quiet. By April, Ludington pleaded no contest to the misdemeanor charge, and in exchange, prosecutors dropped the more serious super drunk charge against him. He avoided jail time at sentencing. But that wasn't the end of it. Just weeks later, court records showed he'd allegedly missed one of his required probation check-ins, a violation that could still send him to jail or into mandatory treatment. Nearly a year after urinating on himself and slurring through a field sobriety test on the roadside, a federal judge with a lifetime appointment was still fighting to keep his career and his freedom intact. If you're still watching, it means you like this video. Trust me, bro, it's worth a follow this channel. I will catch you in the next one.